I'm here to get a hair transplant.
Are you allergic to anything?
What
is your expectation?
Like this I like a lot up front here. Could it come like...
Crown area, we have to implant less dense than the front because as you can see on the line and under the line you will have, I'm gonna calculate the exact number, but we are talking about approximately... Are you ready?
Cool, yeah, ready.
Yeah,
Thanks.
that's the part to begin.
Locations I want to focus on my head or the front to bring my hairline down a little bit towards the front of my face. The middle of my hair is okay, and then more near the crown as well. So kind of two spots I want to focus on.
Are you on a medication?
Yeah, finasteride and minoxidil.
Oh, great.
Yeah, finasteride about 12 years, minoxidil about 5 years.
You have using 12 years.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I started in university. That helped, and then I jumped on minoxidil 5 or 6 years ago, and then it's maintained. I haven't grown back hair per se, but I've maintained.
Yeah, every patient ask about the finasteride side effect. Do you have any finasteride side effect?
No, like not really. I like my doc. I go in every maybe 2 to 3 times a year, and he checks in. But I've no side effects.
Yeah,
so,
great.
Yeah.
Great to hear that.
Yeah.
And after surgery, do you think about to continue?
Yeah, I'll stay on. Yeah.
Great. And because when we are doing the implantation, we have limited resource about the donor grafts, so that using medicine and the implantation is the great plan for all our patients. But sometimes our patients and all patients doesn't want to use any pills, any medicine to keep their existing hair alive. But I think it is the best combination is implantation plus medication, and you are using, it is very great to us.
Cool.
Are you allergic to anything?
Like wasp, bee stings.
No.
Yeah, so.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink alcohol?
Yeah.
When was the last time? Last time is important for me.
New Year's Eve.
Okay. Did you have any surgery before?
Yeah, I had like about a year ago. I had like a muscle on my back repaired.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. It is not a big major thing for us.
No, it was. I was in and out in a day. Like.
Okay, now we can talk about hair.
Sure.
And please switch the chair, this chair. First, I am gonna check the donor area, and I am gonna explain to you what we cannot, what we can do.
Sure.
I will be a guide for you, but the decision is up to you. Okay? Look down, please. Your donor area looks good.
Okay.
And what is your expectation?
Yeah. So I mean, talking with like Estenove earlier, like I was thinking maybe coming down on the front like that, and then the back. So, you know, I'm not looking to bring my hairline down to here, but definitely bring it down. I was thinking maybe the width of a finger or a thumb.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Basically, you can see because
also, I can see your existing.
So it would come too far, so I trim that. But
yeah,
if it comes to this, you know, just to kind of finish it along.
Okay, after we are gonna fix the line, and you don't have to trim that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can keep your hairs in this part.
And then yeah, so that's kind of the hairline. Then I definitely want it still like the mature look where it is curved. So kind of keeping my natural hairline, but just coming it down farther.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are gonna design your line. Raise your eyebrow, please. Lift your eyebrow. I am checking your forehead muscle. No. What do you think about shape and height? It is just a line now, I know, but in the incision part, I'm gonna do irregularities so that it doesn't look like a line.
Yeah, that's
just we are talking about the main line now.
Okay. So irregularities, like it goes up and down, or
like a zigzag up and down, so that it doesn't look like a line. And when I am fixing it, I'm gonna show you the zigzags. Just we are talking about the main line.
Like this I like a lot up front here. Could it come like down a little bit on this side? Like, is that okay or no?
If you want, yeah, I can go lower the corners, but when we are going lower the corners, it is looking too straight. And the straight line doesn't suit your face, because raise your eyebrow, I want to show you, your muscles also is not straight. So that I designed this line according to your golden ratio, according to your hair loss pattern, and according to your forehead muscle.
Yeah, okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, we should keep the corners a little bit up to the middle, because if we keep too straight, it doesn't look natural.
Yes, okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'm gonna check the, turn to me, I'm gonna check the symmetry things. I don't want to follow symmetric line, but also I don't want to do big asymmetry, so that I'm checking. As you can see, on the line and under the line, you will have irregularities. It doesn't look like a full line. And under the line, I'm gonna do just with single grabs for increasing the density.
Okay, yeah, I heard singles is good to have up front.
And on the line and under the line, we are gonna use just single grabs. And behind the line, as you can see, you don't have any existing hair. In this part, in 1 centimeter hair, I am gonna implant approximately 60-70 grafts, so that you will have a great density in the frontal area, and the other parts you don't need too much implantation, but I'm gonna increase density to match your implanting part. Okay?
Okay.
And also the crown part, I'm gonna fix with a great density. Crown area, we have to implant less dense than the front, because it is nature.
Okay.
We have to fix the front very dense for the natural look, and we should to implant the crown less dense the front.
Okay.
Gradually, we have to decrease the density for naturality, but you can cover easily the crown.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, like, I mean, this looks great. That sounds great too to have at the back. So if you're saying like math-wise, like what are we looking for total here and then here, like total? Like
yes, my target approximately 2000s, maybe 2200 on the crown, because you have a circle. I'm gonna calculate. I'm gonna measure the area and I'm gonna calculate the exact number, but we are talking about approximate number.
Okay.
Approximately 2000s, I'm gonna fix the crown, and also 2500 on the middle, maybe 3000. Totally 4500 graft we are gonna implant.
That's perfect. Yeah, so that's linking.
Yes, and also you are using finasteride. It's a great. You can keep these part and our implanting hair. You will have a great density all over.
Cool.
And you're also, when I am checking your donor is white, so that we can get great number from this donor.
Okay.
And 4000s and 4500 is not a big deal for you.
Okay.
But also I'm gonna check your extraction part, and I'm gonna check your grafts quality, and also according to your grafts quality, I'm gonna arrange the number.
Okay, that makes sense. Cool.
But when I check your donor area, your grafts looks great. So that with these hairs, we can fix these area with a great density.
Yeah, great.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No, not right now. That's everything.
Yeah,
that's good.
There will be a 3 steps in your surgery. In the first steps, we are gonna do harvesting thing.
Sure.
And according to your number, in the second steps, I'm gonna do the incision.
Okay.
And I'm gonna follow your original direction, angle and density.
Okay.
And the final steps, the technicians gonna do the implantation.
Okay.
And they are gonna follow our incisions. The most critical part is the incision part, and extraction also.
Okay.
In the incision, because I'm gonna follow your original direction and angle.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So that the surgery takes approximately 6 to 7 hours maybe.
Okay.
you can feel pain just in 3 minutes, initial needles.
Oh, okay.
But
Is that
after that,
because you do the initial needles right now? Okay.
yeah, for the local anesthesia, we have to use needle, but just 3 minutes maybe.
Okay, cool.
Just initial needles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yes. I'm gonna fix zone 1 and 2 with a great density, and you have existing hair on zone 3, but you need a touch up here. I'm gonna do increased density on the 3, and zone 5 and 6 you have a big circle, the bald area, and also I'm gonna fix with a good density in here.
Yep, okay.
Zone 1 and 2 great density, and zone 5 and 6 also good density. Zone 3 increased density to touch up. Okay?
Okay.
I need just signature here, and this is your medical history, and the other part is about your operation, and during the surgery I'm gonna fill all parts, and after that you can take it from the aftercare team.
Cool, okay. Sounds good.
Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, that's it.
Are you ready to be handsome? After 6 months.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I knew I've done a lot of reading on the online forums and Reddit.
Yeah,
I know that's a long.
You are using Reddit?
Always.
Yeah, also me. I am following all Reddit.
Okay.
Also, I am checking our Estenove's comments.
Yeah.
Because the Reddit is a real patient, real person.
100%. There's a lot of people on there. I got a lot of my information from Reddit.
Also, I am checking patients' comments.
Yeah.
Our patients' comments also. Maybe we can get benefits of that.
Yeah.
Maybe we are doing something wrong, and with these comments we can change this.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Cool. Yeah. Ready.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Let's the party begin.
Cool. I haven't shaved my head in probably 10 years. Yeah, just got my head shaved and haven't had it done in a couple of years, but I'm excited. Let's do it.
Now we are starting with the pressure one.